युक्ताहार विहारस्य युक्तचेष्टस्य कर्मसु Now first and second pada. युक्ताहार विहारस्य युक्तचेष्टस्य कर्मसु युक्तस्वप्नावबोधस्य योगो भवति दुःखः Now third and fourth pada. युक्त स्वप्नावबोधस्य योगो भवति दुःखः Now संपूर्ण श्लोक युक्ताहार विहारस्य युक्तचेष्टस्य कर्मसु युक्तस्वप्नावबोधस्य योगो भवति दुःखः Now we will chant the first from the first shloka of Raja Yoga. First shloka. Uddharet atmanatmanam natmanam avasadayet atmaiva atmano bandhu atmaiva ripuratmanaha bandhuratmatmanastasya येनात्मैवात्मना जितः अनात्मनस्तु शत्रुत्वे वर्तते शत्रुवत् शुचौ क्षे प्रतिष्ठाप्य स्थिरमासनमात्मनः नात्युच्छ्रितं नातिनीचं चैलाजिनकुशोत्तरम् अपाने जुह्वति प्राणं प्राणे पानं तथा परे प्राणापानगतिरुद्ध्वा प्राणायामपरायणाः युक्ताहार विहारस्य युक्तचेष्टस्य कर्मसु युक्तस्वप्नावबोधस्य योगो भवति दुःखः. Now we will see the meaning of this shloka. So here Bhagavan Shri Krishna is saying about the how come a person can be initiated into the yoga. So what is his preparations? So he says that yuktahara viharasya, yukta aharaha, yukta viharaha. The person who is having proper diet. According to the Ayurveda, all the 6 shadrasas should be taken every day, and also the person should follow the ritucharya. So in the Ayurveda, according to different ritu, different seasons, different type of dietary regimens has been recommended. So the person, everyone, each one of us, according to our place, we should follow the seasonal regimens, the ritucharya. But even though the ritucharya, some of the ritus, there may be some the bitter or the spice or the lavana or the sweet. According to ritu, that particular rasa should be consumed more. But all the shad rasas should be consumed every day. or all the ritus. So also the vihara, the proper exercise for the body, the physical exercise and the mental exercise for the body should also be followed. Each person should follow that. So the one who is having the proper diet and proper exercises, yukta cheshtasya karmasu, and one who is doing his work properly, the one who is doing his job properly, one who is initiated, means without delaying, much delay. So those who is not lazy, or those who is not delaying the work, suppose the work is should be supposed to done within 5 days, it can be done 5 to 7 or 8 days, not more than that. It should not be take 1 month or beyond that, means much more delay. So the person who is doing the work properly without any delay and also with all the perfections, near perfections, and in the satvika manner, yukta swapna avabodhasya, the one who is getting proper sleep every day, and one who is waken up every day means proper waking up at proper time, early in the morning in the Brahma Muhurta, and getting into sleep during the night, early in the night, and getting proper time for the sleep. So the person who has all these proper, following all these things, so he is initiated, can be initiated into the yoga, and the one who is initiated into yoga, such person who is following all these things, would not get any dukkham. He would be sukham, he would be happy, he would be maintaining the happiness for his entire life. So this is the gist of the shloka.
Suprabhatam, Suswagatam. As all of you are aware, Guruji's vision on integrative medicine. So S. Vyasa is working on integrative medicine since 1980s. First we started integration in yoga therapy, integrated approach of yoga therapy. Then we started integration with Ayush system, with Ayurveda, naturopathy. So we have Susruta Ayurveda Medical College, Samhuti Naturopathy Medical College. Then we started integration with allopathy system. With the support of Guruji and his vision, we started integration in AIMS Delhi, AIMS Rishikesh, Nimhans, and several private medical college and institutions like Devrajors Medical College. Our MDs, Dr. Ashwin Belgi, he is heading integrative medicine department. We have integrative medicine department in Manipal College. So now we have our renowned academician, researcher, scientist, Dr. K.K. Wadhwa. He is the director of this concept, Raipur Institute of Medical Science. So we are going to start in collaboration in Raipur Institute of Medical Science Integrative Medicine Department. Sir, please bless us.
इन्होंने बहुत अच्छी सुप्रभातम, सुस्वागतम, मुझे अच्छा लगा। जब मैं 10th में था तो मेरी स्टडी एक सनातन धर्म स्कूल में हुई, तो मुझे वहाँ भागवत गीता का एक 18वें अध्याय का एग्ज़ाम देना पड़ा। तो मैं आज उस बचपन में लौट आया हूँ। मैं सबसे पहले धन्यवाद करूँगा गुरुजी का और बाकी बैठे हुए डिग्नेटरीज का जिन्होंने आज मुझे ये सम्मान दिया। आज जिस तरह से आपका ये मुझे आज यहाँ आया, मेरे यहाँ भी ऑडिटोरियम है, हम ऑडिटोरियम में बैठते हैं, तो मुझे ये लगता है कि मैं गुरुजी का ऐसा इतना बढ़िया प्रयास है कि मैं बिल्कुल शाश्वत हमारी संस्कृति है उसमें मैं बैठ के आज मैं 5 मिनट के लिए सिमरन किया है। मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगा। मुझे ये लग रहा है कि योग के लिए जो गुरुजी कर रहे हैं, हिंदुस्तान में कोई नहीं कर रहा है, संसार में कोई नहीं कर रहा है। इसको ऐसे ही गति देते रहिएगा, हम आपको जितना भी सहयोग है वो देंगे। इंटीग्रेटिव मेडिसिन का बहुत स्कोप है, इतना स्कोप है कि आज कुछ पेशेंट जो कैर्सिनोमा के होते हैं, HIV के पेशेंट्स हैं, या आप ये समझ लीजिए कुछ जो क्रोनिक पेशेंट्स हैं वो ठीक नहीं होते हैं हमारे, तो वो पेशेंट कहाँ जाता है? इंटीग्रेटिव मेडिसिन के लिए जाता है। तो अगर आज पहली सर्जरी देखेंगे तो पहली सर्जरी वर्ल्ड में चरक ने किया था, शीर्षक ने किया था। आज भी अगर वो शार सूत्र से आपका करते हैं तो बहुत अच्छा लगता है। तो बड़ी सारी सर्जरी के हमारी संस्कृति बहुत अच्छी रही है और मैं फिर गुरुजी को बड़ा अभिनंदन करता हूँ। और मैं अपनी तरफ से जितना मेरा, हमें ज्ञान डिसमिल इतना ही है, वर्ल्ड में ज्ञान इतना है, लेकिन हम सबको इतना ही डिसमिल ज्ञान रहता है। मैं मेरा ज्ञान बांटूंगा और इस संस्था के लिए, इंटीग्रेटिव मेडिसिन के लिए क्या अच्छा हो सकता है, वी विल डू विद आवर एसोसिएशन ऑफ आवर मेडिकल इंस्टीट्यूट। और मैं फिर सबको, डिग्नेटरीज ही और गुरुजी को मैं बहुत धन्यवाद करूंगा। इस जो आपको संस्कृति दे रहे हैं इसको कंटिन्यू करेगा, मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगेगा। और मैं अपना जब भी समय निकलेगा मैं यहाँ आकर के इधर बैठ करके ऐसे ही करने वाला हूँ। जो इन्होंने श्लोक लिखा, जो श्लोक अभी पढ़ा, देखो हमारे शास्त्रों में कितने साल पहले ये श्लोक आ गया था। हम अच्छा खाना है, तामसी, राजसी और सात्विक खाने से और एक्सरसाइज करने से हमारा शरीर, हमारा मन सब सुखी, ठीक रहते हैं, खुश रहते हैं। तो प्लीज फॉलो इट। अगेन वेरी वेरी मच थैंक्स टू गुरुजी एंड डिग्नेटरी। थैंक यू।
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir. Thank you very much for your short and sweet advice to our students. I'm here just to remind about today's function. Once again, yesterday we had given you all the details. We have all our students and staff and all of us will be going to the new campus. It's in the Mysore Road, Sattva Global Campus. We will, as announced yesterday, we will have our food at 12 o'clock. By 12:40, all of you have to be in your buses. We have also given you which bus you all are, you all have to be seated. So make sure that you're all there by 12:40 in your buses. So buses should leave by 12:45. So that we are there by 2:15, and then 2:30 to 3:30 we have cultural programs there, in which even our students are performing the yoga performances again. After that, we also have the privilege of listening to AICT Chairman Sri Dr. T.G. Sitaram sir, who was also the chief guest of last year convocation for us. So a very renowned person. So we will have a chance to listen to him. After that, we also have another cultural program from the Division of Humanities and then others. From 3:30 onwards, 3:45 onwards, the formal function begins. As we have mentioned to you, the first one, of course, we have our Nadaji, the Honorable Minister, coming as a chief guest. And then we have a galaxy of all the ministers and then so many MPs and all the local MLAs, so many galaxy of people are coming to this function. So as Yasvyasa, students of Yasvyasa and then as students of yoga, we all know what we need to observe. We only just wanted to remind you that it is a great function. It is another school of Yasvyasa which is going to be opened and is going to be recognized by world over. Though it is already recognized, but then formally even the ministers and all of them, they want to come and then be part of this particular unique experiment which Guruji has really initiated. So be aware that we are the students of Yasvyasa. Make sure that you follow the discipline and the silence, especially when the speakers are speaking during the formal function. There should be pin drop silence and no movement from our side. We request you, and you have done extremely well, as Vaidya sir was mentioning during our first January function. So beautifully you have all conducted. We request you all to maintain the same silence and also the decorum of Yasvyasa. So we will be going, and then of course after the function, formal function, we will have a tea break and tea and snacks break. We will be going to the administrative block side where these snacks are arranged for all our students. After that, we come back to the main function area, which is the cricket ground of the city campus. And then we will have, of course, our cultural vaganza, and After that, we will have dinner which is going to be arranged in the same grounds. Different counters are going to be opened. We will complete our dinner and then come back and then be seated in our respective buses immediately after the dinner. We request you all to note these things carefully and see that you enjoy the function, enjoy the cultural program, and then let's all maintain the discipline of Yes Vyasa. Thank you all. We request Sir to hoist the flag after the Shanti Mantra.
सर्वे भवन्तु सुखिनः सर्वे सन्तु निरामया सर्वे भद्राणि पश्यन्तु मा कश्चित् दुःखभाग् भवेत् ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः